Just because some cordless vacuums cost a lot or have a lot of positive reviews on Amazon, doesn't make them good products. Through extensive research and testing as some of the best, most popular, and highest ranked cordless vacuum on the market, I've realized that there are some key attributes to look for when finding your perfect cordless vacuum. And depending on what you personally value, you can prefer one product over another, like the Dyson V11 Animal, which offers impressive suction power, a lightweight design, and several additional attachments to deep clean stubborn messes, and is a terrific all-around cordless vacuum. Although it's not perfect for everyone, the Dyson V11 Animal is specifically designed with pet owners in mind and offers enough battery life to tackle larger jobs, multiple suction modes for different surfaces, and an efficient cleaning head to eliminate hair or dander. It has a lightweight, versatile design with a convenient pivoting head that's easy to maneuver around the home or underneath furniture, and you can use it as a handheld vacuum to clean tighter spaces. It has a multifunctional LED screen that allows you to toggle through the 3 power modes, view when blockages happen in real time, and monitor the remaining battery levels. It also has an impressive battery life and can reliably deliver up to 60 minutes of cleaning time per charge. And like the more expensive Dysons on this list, it automatically detects and optimizes suction power depending on the surface to maximize the runtime. It features an eco mode that's ideal for lighter or longer cleaning tasks, and auto mode that balances power and runtime for most tasks, and a powerful boost mode for shorter bursts of intense deep cleaning for stubborn dirt, though it's relatively loud when in use. You also get a high-torque cleaner head with stiff nylon bristles to deep clean carpet and 14 concentric cyclones of suction to remove more dirt per pass than cheaper models such as the Tineco Pure One S11 I'll mention. You also get 4 useful attachments, including a mini motorized tool to remove pet hair or dirt from carpet, hard floor, or upholstery. The Dyson V11 Animal is a highly effective cordless vacuum that comes with automatic surface detecting technology, a versatile design with handheld functionality, and a high-torque cleaning head that can efficiently remove stubborn messes from almost any household surface. If you want a powerful vacuum that can remove stubborn grime, this is an excellent choice. By the way, if you're interested in finding the best prices on the Dyson V11, Animal, or any other vacuum I mentioned in this, check out the links in the description. Next up, many people might be looking for an effective cordless vacuum that can reliably clean tougher messes each time for a reasonable price. The Tineco Pure One S11 is made with these people in mind, and it's my choice as the best cordless vacuum for the money in 2023. Tineco's Pure One S11 is the cheapest cordless vacuum on this list, but offers plenty of value and comes with good battery life, a useful auto power mode, and impressive suction power for the price. It has a sleek, lightweight stick design that's comfortable to maneuver around the home or use for extended periods. It offers convenient handheld functionality to clean hard-to-reach areas like corners, behind furniture, and more. On the inside, it has a 4-stage HEPA filtration system that expels clean air and captures tiny particles to prevent allergens from being released while vacuuming, which makes it a great choice for pet owners. Though you'll have to wash the pre-filter occasionally, the dustbin isn't the biggest, but it has a 0.6-liter capacity that can handle various jobs and a battery that delivers 40 minutes of cleaning time. It utilizes a high-performance digital motor that provides 130 watts of suction power to clean debris of most sizes and delivers a thorough clean on various surfaces, including bare floors, rugs, medium pile carpets. I think the iLoop smart sensor is a standout feature. It automatically detects the size of the mess and adjusts the suction power to deliver optimal performance. It also offers some useful modern features such as built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and a companion app, which allows you to monitor performance in real time, view cleaning reports or maintenance reminders, and more. The Tineco Pure One S11 might not be ideal for everyone, as it lacks the power and sophisticated technology found on the more expensive competitors on this list, but it performs well for the price and can reliably handle various household tasks with effective results. This is an excellent choice if you want a vacuum that provides ample cleaning power and great value for the price. Some people might be looking for a vacuum that's comfortable to hold, easy to use, and offers enough power to eradicate stubborn messes. The Dyson V15 Detect Absolute checks these boxes. My choice is the best cordless vacuum for most people in 2023. Dyson's a well-respected name in the industry with several impressive offerings to choose from, and the V15 Detect Absolute comes with multiple heads to tackle different jobs and ample suction power to remove stubborn dirt or dander. It features a balanced and lightweight design that only weighs around 7 pounds, so you can easily move it around or lift it as needed. It comes with impressive battery life considering its compact size and can reliably deliver an impressive 60 minutes of cleaning time per charge, which is longer than less expensive models such as the previously mentioned Tineco Pure One S11. It has an auto power mode that adjusts suction power based on the surface to optimize the runtime. Even more, you get a built-in mounted laser headlight to illuminate dirt particles to targeted cleaning and an advanced filtration system to catch airborne allergens. Overall, it delivers impressive cleaning performance and can reliably eliminate debris of most sizes on harder floors. It also comes with multiple heads, which includes a laser slim fluffy head and a general-purpose high-torque cleaning head for various surfaces, along with an impressive 230 AQ of suction power to eradicate most stubborn caked-in grime. It also performs well on most types of carpet, though it tends to be slightly more difficult to maneuver on plush carpeting. You also get several useful tools, such as a combi tool, a stiffle bristle brush for tougher messes, and more. The Dyson V15 Detect Absolute is a great all-around cordless vacuum that comes with a range of useful attachments, a lightweight build, and outstanding performance to leave your home clean and dander-free after each clean. If you don't want to splurge but still want a high-end vacuum cleaner that performs well with almost any household cleaning requirement, this is the perfect choice for you. Next up, I have a great all-around vacuum that provides a massive dustbin to tackle larger jobs, plenty of power, and a thoughtful design to comfortably clean your home. The Shark IZ462H is a great all-around cordless vacuum to consider. With its versatile multifunctional design, impressive battery life, power-boosting function for tougher messes, and massive 1-quart dustbin, the Shark IZ462H is an excellent choice if you need to clean tough messes over a large space. It has a reasonably lightweight design that only weighs around 7 pounds, and a low-profile design that can easily fit underneath most furniture or obstacles. Though the design is somewhat top-heavy, it comes with a convenient multi-flex design that allows it to lay flat for greater cleaning flexibility and to save space when not in use. The battery is also solid and can reliably deliver a maximum 60-minute runtime, which is on par with the previously mentioned Dyson V15 Detect Absolute, or you can opt for a 120-minute configuration for larger spaces. It offers impressive suction power for the price that can efficiently remove most particles or debris from various surfaces, though the motor emits a loud, high-pitched whirring as it cleans, and a power-boosting function that's ideal for stubborn grime. You get unique Duo Clean power fins that are made from flexible silicone to deliver constant contact with surfaces to improve its efficiency and provide a deep clean on both carpets and hard floors. It also features a built-in HEPA filtration system to keep the air clean, multiple useful included attachments, handheld functionality, a 1-quart dustbin with a clean touch dirt ejector function, and more. Is the Shark 1Z462H going to be the perfect choice for everyone? Not quite, as it lacks the cleaning power and battery life found on more expensive competitors, but it performs well with various tasks and can reliably deliver a thorough and comfortable cleaning experience with each pass. This is an excellent choice if you want a vacuum that's easy to store but can deliver plenty of cleaning power. If you're looking for the cordless vacuum that offers the best efficiency, battery life, and all-around cleaning performance, the Miele Triflex HX1 Pro is my choice as the best overall cordless vacuum in 2023. The Miele Triflex HX1 Pro is a high-end cordless vacuum that offers versatile 3-in-1 functionality for more comprehensive results, a highly efficient cleaning head, and powerful performance to suck up anything from basic debris to stubborn grime. It has an incredible versatile design that offers 3-in-1 functionality to provide a deep and thorough clean, which includes a reach mode for higher areas like ceilings, a comfort mode for your floors, and a handheld mode to clean tighter spaces. Though it's somewhat heavy, it offers the best battery life on this list and can deliver up to 2 hours of cleaning time depending on the power mode. So it's a good choice for larger households or tough tasks. It also comes with several useful quality of life features such as a built-in LED light, an integrated HEPA filter, and a convenient twist-to-open function to quickly empty the dustbin. It comes with an ultra-wide 11-inch multi-floor XXL electro brush that covers more space with each pass to increase its efficiency, along with various additional tools to tackle a range of surfaces or cleaning tasks around the house. In contrast to the previously mentioned Dyson V15 Detect Absolute, has a one-switch turn-on that provides continuous power when in use to remain comfortable over extended periods. It also comes with 3 power modes that can effectively clean anything from basic messes to caked-in dirt, and an automatic power function that optimizes performance based on the surface and concentration of dirt. The Miele Triflex HX1 Pro is an excellent cordless vacuum that provides plenty of functionality, a comfortable design that's easy to use, and multiple cleaning modes that can effectively eliminate almost any household mess on common household surfaces. If you can afford the price and want a quality cordless vacuum that delivers a thorough clean each time, this is a great choice for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out description for links and updated pricing for products mentioned in this video.